Hey everybody, Jeff here from Outseta. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add an application process to your site. So the idea is people will start out applying to be a member. You can sort of review the application details and then automatically invite them to join as a member should you wish to. To get started, we're going to come over to CRM and custom properties within Outseta. We're going to click on person. And we're going to add a field to our person records. You can just click add a property. And the field that we're adding is going to be called member status. I'm going to make it a radio list property. That just means there's some predefined options. And I've added a few options. I've added applied, accepted, and rejected. Once I've added that property, we sort of have a way to indicate who has applied, ultimately who's going to be accepted and who's going to be rejected. So I'm just going to click save. Next, we're going to actually work on our application form. So for this example, I'm going to use a lead capture form in Outseta. You can just click add lead capture form. I've added one called member application. And then you can specify what information or what questions you want to ask on the form itself. But importantly, you can use any sort of form builder that you want. So if you have a really long application or want a multi-step form or something like that, you can use any form builder that you like. Once that form is submitted, you can then use a tool like Zapier to take all of the data submitted in the form and add a person record in Outseta that populates with all that data. In this case, because we're using an Outseta form, we can cut out that Zapier step, but it's the same mechanics either way, and regardless of what form builder you use. So here on our form, I've added a few properties: email, first name, last name, title, and this is the most important part. I've indicated that the member status field should be on our form, but it's a hidden property, and it's going to pass the value of applied. So what that means is when someone actually interacts with the form, they will not see this member status property, but the value of applied will come through with all of the other data when the application is actually submitted. Now that I've got my form in place, we're going to work on an email automation. So if you decide to accept a member, they will automatically receive an email with a link to sign up. That starts over here. I'm going to come to CRM and segments. And segments are just groups of users with some sort of shared characteristic. So I'm going to click on accepted members. And I've created a segment called accepted members. The conditions look at this person member status property that we created earlier. So we're saying the member status field is one of, and I selected the value of accepted. So only if that property has the value of accepted is somebody added into this particular segment. So with the segment created, I can now use that segment to trigger an automated email. So I've come to email and drip campaigns. You'll see I've already created this drip campaign called accepted member sign up automation. And if we look at the campaign itself, the most important part is just the condition that triggers this email. So the condition is a person being added to a segment, and it's that accepted members segment. So as soon as we indicate that a member should be accepted and the value of that member status field is accepted, users will get added into this segment and it will trigger this email automation. The email itself, you can design whatever you want. In this case, I just made a very simple example email here that says, welcome, you've been accepted. And within the email, we link to an Outseta sign-up form that allows the user to actually sign up and pay for a membership. You can generate those if you come over to auth and embeds and sign up. You can use the tool here. In this example, I just created a payment link for a particular plan and included that link within the email itself. So that's the mechanics of wiring all of this up. Now let's show you an example of how this is used practically. So let's pretend this is your member application form and I am actually applying to join your site. I'm submitting my application. We're going to say, here I am filling in my, here, let's change my name here just for the sake of it. I'm going to be Tom Brady for now. And I'm going to be a quarterback. And I'm going to apply. So this is just a member submitting their application. They are not actually signing up. They are not actually paying anything. This is going to give you as an administrative user the ability to review the application details. So the member goes ahead and applies. And then you as an admin user can come into Outseta. You can come to lead capture forms. And you can also set up notifications in Outseta. If you want to know every time somebody has applied, for example, you can get an email notification. But for now, I'm just going to look at that lead capture form that we created, and I can see who submitted it. And it shows me that Tom Brady here just submitted this application. And I can click in, and this is the person record and all of the information that was just captured on my application. So even if you're using another form builder, you'll still have a people record like this that includes all of the information that comes through in your application. And you'll see the information that I submitted, my email address, the name Tom Brady, the title quarterback, but the member status field right now shows as applied. And all you have to do is look at the information and make a determination. If you want to accept the user, you can just click accepted. And in doing so, a new person, this person, will be added to the segment called accepted members, and it will automatically send that email that we set up inviting the person to actually sign up and pay for their membership. So that's all you have to do. You just review the incoming applications, you change the status of this member status field, and you know that the right email has been sent to the member. Similarly, if you wanted to create an email automation for rejected members that just said, we're sorry, we can't accept you at this time, you can do that in the same manner. But that will then, trigger an email coming through where the user learns that they've been accepted, and they can then just click on a sign up form and actually sign up and pay for their membership. So that's it. If you have any questions in setting up an application process on your site, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks so much.